A beetle?
Smash it, smash, smash.
Well, I'm making this video because this is the day the earth stood still. And if you walk over here, you can see the park is roped off now, and no little children can play. And they have a sign, and it warns people to stay away from the park, that it's closed because of the coronavirus.